Let's fill out the Virginia Cat Bill of Sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now, the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a cat in this state, here are the key requirements to know about. First, let's talk about age. A cat cannot be sold without its queen if the kitten is under 7 weeks old. So make sure your kitten has reached that minimum age before any sale takes place. Next, vaccinations. The seller must ensure the cat has current vaccinations against contagious and infectious diseases. These vaccinations need to be recommended in writing by a licensed veterinarian, or follow written recommendations from the vaccine manufacturer. And they must be given at least 5 days before the new owner takes possession of the animal. The seller also needs to provide a pet dealer's animal history certificate, right at the time the buyer takes possession of the cat. A signed copy of that certificate must be kept on file by the pet dealer for 2 years after the sale date. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.